Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to remove the instrument cluster on a 2006 Chevy Impala. This video applies to Chevy Impalas made from 2006 all the way up to 2016. One important thing to mention: before unplugging the instrument cluster, make sure to disconnect the battery. If you don't, what might happen, the theft light might activate and then you won't be able to start the vehicle, and then it will have to be towed to a Chevy dealership for them to reset it. In this video I will work while the car is running, just because it's minus 28 degrees outside, so it's just too cold. But before disconnecting the instrument cluster, I will make sure to disconnect the battery. On my Impala, the instrument cluster glass is cracked. I will have to sell this car soon, so I will try removing the instrument cluster and see if I can maybe detach this glass and then get a new one from salvage and just replace it. Okay, to start, first you will want to lower the steering wheel all the way down, so that will give you more space to work. Now the first thing you'll have to remove is this plastic that's surrounding the instrument cluster. Now the only issue is all this is like a one big piece, starting from here all the way going to the other side. But it's quite easy to remove. So what you want to do, first you want to pop out this plastic piece on the driver's side. Now the best thing to use is like a plastic trim remover. If you don't have it, you can use something like this and just put a piece of tape over it so you don't damage any parts. Okay, pretty much, you just want to pop it out like this, and this will give you the access to this 7mm screw, or you can use just the Phillips screwdriver, whichever is easiest for you. Okay, so this is the one. Now we have to do the same thing on the other side as well. So on the passenger side, same thing. You want to pop out this plastic. You can see there's a couple of clips on the rear side, and also remove this 7mm screw. Okay, so this is the second screw. Now you can close the door. And the next thing to remove, there are also two 7mm screws just underneath here. So one is here and the other one is right here. So okay, so these are the guys. So all four screws are pretty much the same. And once those two guys are out, now you can start popping out these panels, starting from that side and all the way up to here. Okay, so you will want to open the passenger door, and now just try gently prying these pieces out slowly so don't damage anything. Or you can even try holding it here and gently pulling towards yourself like this. You see it's all nice and loose. Okay, now the next thing, it will be a good idea to move this lever all the way down, so as low as you can, so you can access this piece here and also pry it out, just like that. And then again, just pull it with your hand all around gently, so you don't break anything around here. Open the driver door and just remove it. Okay, so before pulling all this off, there is one connection which you have to unplug for these buttons. It's just behind here. I'm not sure if you can see it. Okay, there is the plug. There's like a small clip you have to push just to pull it out. Okay, you see? Have to push onto this clip here and then just pull it out. And after that is done, you just want to wiggle this big piece of plastic off your way place it somewhere safe. And now you have the complete access to the instrument cluster, which is held by also 4 7mm or Phillips screws. So I will show you the location. One is up here, one is down here, one guy is like just down here, and one is up here. So remove those 4 Phillips screws. Okay, here we go. Also same 4 screws, and now your instrument cluster will be completely loose, and you can pull it out and wiggle it out. Now this is the part where I have to turn off my car and disconnect the battery, because I don't want to cause more problems for myself. So if you didn't disconnect that battery, go outside, leave the front hood, and you can just disconnect the negative battery pole, and then you can remove the cluster. Once you put the cluster back in and plug it in, then you can reconnect your battery. Okay, so I've disconnected my battery, and now it is safe to wiggle that instrument cluster out. It's completely loose. Now I will probably have to use both of my hands to do that, because the space is kind of tight, but as you can see, it's completely loose. Okay, and once you have it out, okay, I will show you. If you turn it to the other side, here is the plug, and there is like a small black clip. See, just on top of it, you just have to push onto that clip and pull these wires out, and that is pretty much it. Okay, that's it. As you can see here, that's the clip you have to press. Once you do that, you can completely remove the instrument cluster. Okay, I will just add to this video, I was able to separate the top part of this instrument cluster from the bottom part. So I will just go to the salvage, disassemble one, take this part, put it on, and an easy fix. It really, once you know what you're doing, it's like 10-minute job to do it. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.